Can you buy or sell a home in Houston without losing thousands of dollars on your bottom line? We all want that, right? And the answer is yes, but you need to do a few things. First, be sure to hire an experienced real estate agent when looking to buy or sell your home. Hey everybody, I'm David Janssen with Compass, and I often have conversations with potential sellers and buyers about the pros and cons of working with discounted brokers to either buy or sell a home, or even with inexperienced realtors. Most of the time, these are individuals who will sell your home for next to nothing because they lack the experience to actually compete with agents and brokers who truly know how to outperform them in experience, negotiation, and sales. And honestly, it makes me crazy. Now, I don't claim to be a doctor, but buying or selling a home most likely is one of your largest assets, right next to your body. And you wouldn't operate yourself, would you? Yep. Me neither. And when hiring a doctor, wouldn't you want to hire one that specializes in fixing whatever body part you're having trouble with? I mean, if you broke your hip, you wouldn't go to a foot doctor, would you? No, you'd go to an experienced doctor who specializes in hips. So do the same thing with your real estate professional. It truly can make a difference between you losing a lot of money and potential interest from buyers whenever you're selling a home. Now, if you hire an inexperienced real estate professional to capitalize on your investment, you may be leaving money on the table. So hire someone experienced. Lastly, what about negotiations? What if you're being sued? Wouldn't you want the very best attorney out there fighting for you to keep you out of jail or keep more money in your pocket in case you have to pay out? Of course you would. You'd hire the absolute best attorney who can negotiate between you ending up in the slammer or possibly being bankrupt. Well, your home is no different. Remember, it's most likely your largest investment. So be careful not to hire an agent whose only card is to reduce their commission because they don't have negotiation experience. Hey, they can't negotiate on their behalf. Most likely, that means they can't negotiate for you either. This could end up costing you thousands and thousands of dollars. Again, I'm David Janssen with Compass. I've been providing exceptional real estate services in the Houston area since 2010, and I look forward to working with you.